Hi, and welcome to today's episode, number 124, where you'll get to hear the story of beautiful 1948 Chevrolet owned by Robert Gonzalez of Phoenix, Arizona. He drives this car everywhere and is especially happy to cruise with his club members as they bring smiles to so many faces while helping out charities. Please like and share and leave a nice comment. Now let's go for a ride.
Hi, my name's Robert Gonzalez. I belong to a Groupe Car Club. My car is a 1948 Fleetmaster. It's a street rod. I've had my car for 14 years. I was on my way to go buy a 62 Impala, and a friend of mine stopped by and told me that there was a little white car for sale up the street. So I said, well, let's go look at it. So needless to say, I never made it to the 62. I got a good deal for the car, so I bought it, and now I still have it. And it used to be pearl white when I first bought it, and I built a hot rod out of it, put flames on it and stuff. So then I got talked into joining a lowrider car club, and I said I don't belong, I don't belong because I'm a hot rodder. So they said, oh, come on anyway. So little by little, I got into it more and more, and now my car is what it is now. It's a low-riding street rod. I've got the V8 in it, air conditioned, power steering, all the modern stuff. The only thing original about my car is the outside, and that's the way I want to keep it. But I've been in the car club world for 15 years now, and like I said, I belong to the Groupe Car Club. We participate in all kinds of venues here around the valley, but mainly our thing is that we do a lot of events to help the veterans. Whatever money we can accumulate to help veterans in whatever way we can. The main person that does all of this for us, his name is Ray Perez, and he gathers veterans and he takes them up north for a week for camping trips, horseback riding, just anything, and it's all free. And 1 week of the year he takes their kids up there. So we like it. We like being able to help people, And last year I wrecked it. It wasn't my fault, but it took 6 months to get it back on the road. But I got it, and now I'm just enjoying it all over again. The color of my car is a candy brandy wine with a gold background, a gold base, and that's what gives it the color. And at night, it depends on the lighting, it changes color. enjoy. I've made a lot of friends. You know, a friend of mine, one of my club members, him and I have been hanging around together for like 10 years, 10, 12 years. And we've gone to car shows in California, New Mexico, up and down Arizona. And we've met a lot of nice people. And we're still friends with a lot of them. When we go to San Diego, we've got friends that always, invite us. We barbecue and that, and just everywhere we go, we've made really good, excellent friends. And that's the part that I like. A lot of my friends that I've met from Riverside, they come to the Good Guys Car Show. So we hang out there at the show, and then at night everybody comes over here and we barbecue and just have a good time, getting together. And I really like that.
Thanks for watching Robert's story. We knew you'd love to see this long, low, and sweet ride. We love getting to know our future owners, and Robert is one of the nicest, cool guys we've met yet. Tune in this Thursday as we have a special Thanksgiving episode for you. You'll be joining us as we hang out at the Good Guys Southwest Nationals in Scottsdale, Arizona. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss an episode. See you again soon. Be careful out there.